Hey everybody, Farhad here at BI. In today's demo, I want to go over GenViz or AI agents to have an iterative dashboarding experience and cloning. These capabilities that have been brought to our product are all an effort to make a more intuitive, self-serve experience for our business users and really drive scalability into what traditionally in business intelligence hasn't been available. So in this example, we're in a channel that is, reviewing bill of materials data, and our colleague has published some content for our team to review. And I believe this comprehensive report is great. So in traditional BI, you can't really easily fork and create your own report very easily. And in generative BI, where you're taking an AI first approach, prompting from scratch might be, although, incredible time savings can be there, but you might not want to start from scratch, right? So what you can do is that we can go ahead and clone our colleague's content here. And we have our own version that's unpublished, so it's private to us. We can go in full screen mode, and now we can do our own analysis, right? So what we can do from here is go into the data studio, which is the editor mode. So anything that BI creates through our AI agents is fully editable and transparent. You can see the homework, you can manipulate and add the human touch to it. And so in this example, we might want to remove the executive summary, give it a title. So component exposures analysis, May 2025, perfect. We can manipulate the columns that we can bring in. And then we might just want to add additional data here, right? So we can say, opening the GenViz AI agent, we can say, let's, by component, please share the quantity per unit. And I spelled that wrong, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to spell things right in generative BI land. And so there you go. And now you can have an iterative exercise, right? So we really designed BI to be intuitive and self-serve for business users. So, we understand that prompt engineering is a skill set that people are learning. So you don't have to prompt from scratch if you want to make a change, right? You can just say, remove nulls from this. And BI should understand that, okay, gathering the data and what I presented to you, you want to remove this. So now our 15 records move down to 14, which is great. And then we can say, please sort this in descending order and limit it to the top 10. Right, so now we can focus on, our key components and focusing on the top 10 and counts. Awesome. And when we're done, we can hit save and hop out the data studio and you're done, right? And so now as you're wanting maybe to share this, newly created report with your team, you can go ahead and publish it. You can add it to a collection if you want to share it with others, and you can create shareable links, right? So that you can really accelerate decision making, collaborate with your colleagues, and really drive efficiency in your workforce. So if you really want to learn more about us, feel free to get in touch and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.